Welcome back to Motor Hub, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ferrari Enzo, a masterpiece of engineering and design that pushes the boundaries of what a hypercar can be. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a legacy, and a technological marvel all wrapped into one breathtaking package. Let's start with what makes this car stand out immediately: its design. The 2025 Enzo is a futuristic evolution of the iconic Enzo lineage, with sharp, aerodynamic lines that scream speed even when it's standing still. The body is crafted almost entirely from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber, ensuring maximum performance while maintaining that signature Ferrari elegance. From the redesigned front fascia to the active rear wing, every curve and angle of the Enzo has been meticulously engineered to optimize airflow and downforce. It's as much art as it is science. Underneath the hood, or should I say, behind the driver's seat, is where the magic truly happens. Ferrari has equipped the new Enzo with a hybrid V12 powertrain that delivers an astounding 1,200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,200 horsepower. The combination of a naturally aspirated V12 engine and cutting-edge electric motors creates an experience that's not just fast but electrifying in every sense of the word. 0 to 60? A blistering 2.1 seconds. And thanks to advanced all-wheel drive and torque vectoring, this car corners like it's on rails. Ferrari didn't stop at performance, they've also revolutionized the driving experience. The cockpit of the Enzo is a blend of luxury and technology. A fully digital dashboard provides all the information you need, while an augmented reality heads-up display keeps you connected to the road ahead. The steering wheel integrates touch controls, allowing you to adjust settings without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Ferrari has also incorporated adaptive AI that learns your driving habits to fine-tune the car's performance to your style. Whether you're on a racetrack or cruising through city streets, the Enzo adapts seamlessly. But let's not forget about the sound, a crucial part of any Ferrari experience. The 2025 Enzo combines the spine-tingling roar of its V12 engine with subtle electric whirs, creating a symphony that's nothing short of intoxicating. It's the perfect balance of heritage and innovation. In a world where hypercars are becoming more advanced, Ferrari has once again proven why they remain at the top. The 2025 Enzo isn't just a car, it's a legend reborn. If you're lucky enough to see one in person, let alone drive one, you'll understand why Ferrari continues to define the pinnacle of automotive excellence. That's it for today's episode of Motor Hub. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Enzo. Is this the ultimate hypercar of 2025? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.